Hello, Namaste, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of learning and sharing with Suraj, I am going to show you how to solve the problem of no water supply in a washing machine. So to solve this problem, first of all we will check our electricity supply. The next we will check there is power in a washing machine or not. So there is a power in a washing machine. The next we will check our water supply. So when we start this one, you can see there is no water supply. So to solve this problem, we will see our water inlet valve is working properly or not. So to check this one, we have to open the cover, this cover. Before you open the cover, make sure you off the power of a washing machine. Before you open the cover, make sure you cut off the power supply. Now you can open the water pipe. Once you open the water pipe, you can open the cover. You have two screws here to open the cover. Once you open the screw, you can see here this is the water inlet valve. So the main problem of no water supply in a washing machine, maybe because of this water inlet valve. Sometimes we have problem. You can see here there is a water filter. Sometimes we may have problem because the water inlet valve may be blocked because of the dirty water particles in this valve. Sometimes we maybe have problem because of the electricity supply in this. So make sure you check the electricity. If everything is okay, then the main problem may be in this water inlet valve. So you have to change this one. You can easily order this water inlet valve online. It doesn't cost so much. So I have ordered this water inlet valve online, and it cost here only 30 MOP at Macau. Make sure when you order the online, these two must be exactly the same. So this is almost same. Now I am going to change this one. This is the old one and this is the new one. So this one is connected already. So now we will connect the water supply. Make sure you connect this properly so there will be no water leakage. You can power on the water. So now let's see this one is working or no. We will connect the electricity power supply. You can see now power is okay. Yeah, you can see now there is a water supply in our washing machine. So the problem is solved now. Let's power off. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. So whenever I upload the new video, you will be notified. See you in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.